in a food web, if something changes in the habitat, so for example in the seashore habitat in this picture, then the whole food web will change. So let's have a look at some examples. So if there suddenly was no shellfish in this food web, so if there was no shellfish in this food web, then there will be more seaweed because there are no shellfish to eat it. So there'll be lots more seaweed. Another example, so if there was no shellfish, then there would be fewer starfish as there's less food for them to eat. You can see here that the starfish gets its energy from the shellfish. So if they can't get their energy from the shellfish, then that will mean that the starfish will have less to eat, therefore there will be less starfish surviving. There will be fewer starfish as there's less food for them to eat, like I've said. And also, thirdly, there will be fewer crabs because they'll also have less food to eat because they also get their energy from the shellfish. So if there isn't any shellfish, there'll be less crabs that will survive. So there'll be less food for the crabs and they are being eaten more by the seagulls as there are fewer starfish for them to eat. So look, the seagulls, they get their energy from crabs and starfish. Well, if the starfish don't have the shellfish to eat, then there'll be less starfish. Therefore, the seagull will want to eat more crabs. Or you could look at it the other way. If there's less crabs, he might need to eat more starfish. So you can see how it has a big knock-on effect on the whole habitat if one part of the food web changes.